this is $10,000, right? Can we take this $10,000 and turn it to a profit? Just watch. I get a lot of DMs, people asking me how much money you need to start flipping phones. You can start with $2,000, you can start with $1,000. It doesn't really matter how much money you start with. It's never how much money you start with. I've been doing this for over 5 years. I'm about to hit my 6th year next month. So when you first get started, I would just say focus on one phone. Once you focus on one phone, whether it's $1,000 for the phone, $300 for the phone, it doesn't matter. Once you focus on one phone, you get the phone for whatever amount that you get it at. Then when you sell it, you make a profit. It could be $50 to $100. Then you focus on getting another one. So say for instance, you started with $500. You got $500. You see something online that you can make money with. You hit the person up. You guys meet up with the person. You pay $500 for the phone. Then you sell the phone for $575, $600, depending on whoever you can sell it to get that margin. Let me see what you got. I've been working out, bro. I've been getting so. Bro, I'm saying, why they didn't give you all the phones, though?
Bro, because I checked the other ones. Yeah, they got some.
What?
They got some like the touchscreen.
Yeah.
So they still got them, but they're gonna check by one by one. You know.
iPhone 7s. Oh, these iPhone 8s.
Oh, let me show you.
You check all these shit, all these shit.
So
good.
those are iPhone 8s.
Yeah, I know these iPhone 8s.
Yeah, all of that. It should be 35 pieces of them.
All of them unlocked.
Yeah.
All right.
So yeah, this shit is A+, bro.
Okay. Yeah, bro. Gotta make some money, bro. These are 8+. That should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. How you find these people, bro? How these people found you?
I don't even know. It's
like a chat.
Yeah, if a friend of mine he found me.
Oh
no.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 26. All right, so that was whatever that you want to call that. Got a couple phones. Me, I make money with all type of phones, right? These iPhone 7s. You feel me? Nah, these is not no fucking grade. What you call it though, Cap? These is fucking grade B. It's all good. It ain't grade. This isn't grade A. But you can make money with any type of iPhone, bro. If it's a buyer for it, bro, you can make money for it, bro. So the profit with these are not a lot. I got about. I'm gonna show y'all right now. It's like over 100 phones. But believe it or not, some I'm not making that much, bro. I'm only making like $5 to $10 on some of them, but it doesn't matter if you got automatic buyers who gonna buy it. Like all these phones right here, is already sold, bro. I'm gonna go to the crib, put the invoice in, and I'm gonna ship it. And then bro, he gonna pay me like that. So yeah, bro, you can get iPhone 7s, iPhone 8s. You ain't always gotta get phones that's like $700 and stuff like that. Maybe you can just buy something for like this, buy for like $80, sell it for like $85, $90, get 100 of those shits. You feel me? Make your little bread and then try to do it the next day and then the next day. It's all about consistency. Listen, at the end of the day, if your money's just sitting, it's like, it don't even matter if you make $5 or $10. It's just moving money. It's not realistic to make $100 every time off a phone, because these phones coming from people who got real companies. You think Walmart, Target, all these big corporate stores make $100 off their items? No, they do not. They sell a lot of items. I wrote an ebook on how to like really dive into it. If you want to learn how to get 100 phones and mess with different type of buyers that'll buy anything, you can hit the link in the bio, or you can just continue to watch the free content. I'm gonna still give free game, because at this point, I don't even really care who knows about it. It's only gonna be a couple people that crush it anyways. So, you know, we got another order coming up soon. So I'm gonna let y'all boys know, and y'all girls, if y'all is tuned in to see what time it is, a little bit roughy. Like I always say, bro, keep flipping.